Thank you so much for pressing play. You know, every time you press play, it gives me the inspiration to do another video. The purpose of this video, I'm sitting here taking my, I'm not sitting here, I'm walking, doing my daily walk, and I happened to stop to take a little breather, and I had this view of this construction that is going on right here. And I stopped and I started to reflect. And when I was reflecting, I remember before they started this construction, this used to be an old, decrepit building. I believe it was an old hotel from 1885 that was standing there for a long time. And I actually, you know, saw that building for a large majority of the time, but then someone had a vision, and with that vision, they knocked down that building, and this was just a hole in the ground. And as I was reflecting, I started to just reflect on our lives and how sometimes we have these old structures that we're still holding on to until we find a new vision that gives us the motivation to tear down the old structures so that we can begin to build something new. So I just wanted to share that with you as I'm reflecting on it. What are some of the old structures in your life that you're still holding on to? These old structures could be ideas, people, certain environments that you're in. Maybe the job that you're working at is an old structure and you're looking for something new to do. And one of the cures for that is vision. Having a vision for what you want to do in the future and never settling, never accepting the status quo as your status in life. Just like this building, this is going to be a more modern, contemporary building here in Allentown. But with that said, I just wanted to just share that with you as I'm taking my walk. I'll be hanging out in the comments in a little bit, so if you want to just share your thoughts about that. If you don't have any thoughts, click the like button or subscribe. Have a good one. Peace.